Hello dear students. In this video I'm explain about I'm going to explain about measurement of infiltration. For determining infiltration capacity of a soil, the two types of there are two types of methods adopted. The first one is by infiltrometer and second is by analysis of rainfall and runoff data. Infiltrometer. Infiltrometers are of two types. One is flooding type and second is rainfall simulators. What is this flooding type infiltrometer? Infiltrometer. Here water is applied in the form of a sheet, usually with a constant depth of flooding. They may use a single ring, simple infiltrometer or tube infiltrometer, or two rings, that is double ring infiltrometer, to delineate the sample areas. Second is rainfall simulators. Here water is applied by sprinkling at a uniform rate that is in excess of infiltration capacity. Tube type infiltrometer. On the screen you can see the one tube is inserted in the soil, that is the single ring or a single ring infiltrometer. This is a simple instrument consisting essentially of a metal cylinder of 30 centimeter dia and 60 centimeter long, open at both ends. The cylinder is driven into the ground to a depth of 50 centimeter. Water is poured into the top part to a depth of 5 centimeter and a pointer is set to mark the water level. As infiltration proceeds, the volume is made up by adding water from a burette to keep the water level at the tip or the pointer. Knowing the volume of water added during different time intervals, the plot of the infiltration capacity versus time is obtained. The experiments are continued till a uniform rate of infiltration is obtained, and this may take 2 to 6 hours. The surface of the soil is usually protected by a perforated disc to prevent formation of turbidity and its setting on the soil surface. A major drawback of the tube infiltration is that the infiltrated water spreads at the outlet from the tube as shown in the uh, on the screen. This is a single ring infiltrometer and this is double ring infiltrometer. Physically you can see that in the image how it will be inserted and how the water will be added and how can we may collect the data and all. So this is a single ring method, this is double ring method. The inside one single first ring is of 30 centimeter dia and the second ring is 60 centimeter dia. So hence the tube is not truly representing the area through which the infiltration is taking place. So double ring infiltrometer, this is most commonly used flooding type infiltrometer. It consists of two sets of concentric rings with the diameters of 30 centimeter and 60 centimeter and of a minimum length of 25 centimeter. The two rings are inserted into the ground and water is applied into both the rings to maintain a constant depth of about 5 centimeter. The outer ring provides water jacket to the infiltrating water from the inner ring and hence prevents the spreading out of the infiltrating water of the inner ring. The water depths in the inner and outer rings are kept the same during the observation period. The measurement of the water volume is done on the inner ring only. The experiment is carried out till a constant infiltration rate is obtained. A perforated disc to prevent formation of turbidity and settling of fines on the soil surface is provided on the surface of the soil in the inner ring as well as in the annular space. Some of the chief advantages of flooding type infiltrometers are: the raindrop impact effect is not simulated. B. The driving of the tube or rings disturbs the soil structure. C. The results of the infiltrometers depend to some extent on their size, with the larger meters giving less rates than the smaller ones. This is due to the border effect. Thank you guys. We'll discuss the hydrographs and all in the next video. Thank you.